course, I had to bring you guys another Skims haul. You guys know I love doing these. Today I partnered with Skims to tell you guys all about their new bras, and trust me, you're going to want to hear this. Skims created a whole system of new bras designed to fit every single person's needs. So whether you want something that's going to be very supportive and give you a nice lift and be full coverage, or if you want something super lightweight that feels like second skin, they have you covered. I have 3 bras to show you guys, and I'm so excited because the second that I put these on, I was blown away. So let me just start off with my new everyday bra, because this literally feels like second skin. So it was designed to be just that. It was designed to be so comfortable. It feels like you have nothing on while giving you all the support that you need, and it does just that. As you can see, it has the molding of the cups so that it really just hugs your body the right way and gives you the right look while giving you the right support while you're wearing it. I love that. It's really supposed to give you the support of a bra with the feel and comfort of a bralette, which we love. I'm obsessed with bralettes, especially since I've been working from home for almost 3 years. It's literally all I wear. The edges are laser cut, so it just sits against your skin beautifully. It doesn't dig into anything. As you can see, it's not digging into the sides of my arms, which you guys know I hate that. And then from the back, it's not digging into anything in the back. So if you decide to wear a shirt with this, because they do have different options. They have options that look just like tank tops that you can wear on your own. But this one, if you decide to wear it with a shirt on top, it's not going to look like it's digging into your skin or uncomfortable. It does have adjustable straps in the back, and it also has adjustable hooks just so that you can adjust it to your comfort, so that you can feel the most comfortable when you're wearing this. And I told you guys, this is my favorite one. One of my favorite things about Skims bras is that they're able to make you just look good but feel good while you're wearing it. Now this one I got in a size medium, and I'm typically a size 34C, but this one comes in letter sizes. It comes in sizes extra extra small to L double D. It does have the Skims logo in this nice rubbery material. I love that. You guys know I'm a sucker for cool logos. And I don't know if you guys can tell, really, maybe you can, but it is so like almost nearly invisible, but it does have like the outline, or like, I don't know the proper term for it, but I'm gonna call it a contour, to give you the illusion of an underwire and give you the support of an underwire while not having an underwire, and that's amazing. If you guys are returning, then you know that I rave all the time about the Fits Everybody triangle bralette, and this one reminds me of that. I literally have it in the same exact color, but this one is just a step up from the triangle bralette because it's more supportive. The fabric is a little bit thicker and it has more support. I feel like it's more seamless. So we love a good bra that just sits against your skin while giving you the support that you are looking for. So this one is my favorite. This one's gonna be my everyday bra, and trust me, this is not your grandmother's bra. So for those days when you want something that gives you a more natural look but is really sexy, this one is perfect. Tell me you're not obsessed with this bra. This is the first time I'm ever trying a bra that has underwire but no padding. I've never been interested in that. I never really saw the point, but after trying this one, I'm like, okay, now I see the point. This one is the no-show balconette bra, and this one is stunning. Like, look at this neckline. I am so in love. This is such a beautiful romantic neckline. This one was designed to be supportive but to not be seen under shirts, and that's because the mesh that was used for this bra, it is so thin but silky, soft, flexible. It is so comfortable. They designed it so that it sits flush against your skin so that when you are wearing a t-shirt, it does not show, because the way that it looks so natural underneath a shirt and how comfortable this is, let me just show you what I mean. It is literally made to give you the most natural look underneath t-shirts. It's not really supposed to give you the shape of a padded bra. It's supposed to give you a more natural look. This is definitely going to be worn a lot. This bra, I know it's gonna be perfect on the days where you decide to put on like a square neck tank top because of the way that this neckline is shaped. The fabric is this nice mesh. Look, so it's definitely see-through on the cup section. The rest of the bra is solid, double lined. But let's get into this mesh though, because this is so different. I told you guys already with the triangle bralette, that bralette has a really cool supportive mesh on the inside that really just moves around with you. This mesh is not the same. It's different, but in such a great way. Super silky, super soft, flexible, stretchy. It moves with you. Now when I put this on, because the mesh is so thin and sits so nicely against your chest, it will look like it has nothing on because it is so seamless, and we love that. Now I got this one in a 34C. I told you guys that's my true size and it fits so good. And this one's available in 38 sizes. That is incredible. So you guys, I highly recommend trying this one out. Now this last one, when I tell you guys, I've been waiting for this bra to come back in stock for so long, because every time I go on the website, it's always sold out. Everybody's obsessed with this bra and they're finally coming back in stock. So if you guys were waiting for this, then you should get your hands on this bra once it restocks, because the second that it goes up, I have a feeling it's gonna sell out so quickly. So this is the Fits Everybody T-shirt bra. You guys, I've been waiting for this for so long. I got it in the color Cocoa in a size 34C. Now that I have my hands on this, I know exactly why it's been selling out. If you're the type of person who needs a padded bra with underwire, this one's perfect. One thing that I hate about like Victoria's Secret bras and the Aerie bras is that they end up showing under my t-shirts and it just makes it look very bulky. I don't want people to be able to see the lines of my bras underneath the t-shirt, especially when I'm wearing something like the Fits Everybody t-shirt or something thin. I don't want my bra to show. So this one is perfect for that. Honestly, all of these are perfect for that because all of these are so seamless. The way that they actually designed this bra to look a little bit more of like a teardrop shape, it allows for no gapping on the side, and that's perfect because I've definitely had bras that didn't sit flush against my skin and it actually felt a little bit more bulgy. There was gapping, it didn't fit right. That's not a problem that I have with this, and now I know why everybody's obsessed with this bra. And I love the way that it actually gives you the look of a push-up bra without being a push-up bra. That's perfect. Sometimes push-up bras can just be too much with too much padding. This amount of padding is perfect for me. I have a bra that I bought years ago that's a push-up bra and the padding is this thick. I'm not even kidding. And it just becomes so uncomfortable, especially when I'm just looking for that look. So this one, I feel like it gives me the same exact look that I am going for without having all that extra padding. Fabric is so comfortable, so smooth, so soft. I love it. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave everything linked down below in my description box if you're interested in purchasing any of these bras. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. Each and every one of the bras that I showed you guys today, I feel like serves a different purpose, and I have one for every single mood that I'm in, whether I'm home and have people over and just want to wear something nice, lightweight, and comfortable while still being supportive. I have that. Or if I want to go outside and just wear something that's really gonna hold me in and look great under shirts, I have something for that too. So if you guys want to try any of these bras, I highly recommend them. Do not miss the drop, especially if you were waiting for the Fits Everybody t-shirt bra, because this one, I know it's gonna go so fast and I know all of these are going to be a hit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.